Hello everyone, this is Ian from Reaper Rocker. Welcome to Tales from the Underground. On today's episode, magbaband feature tayo at kikilalanin natin ang bandang As I Am, isang metal band sa Cavite. At kilalanin natin ang banda at ang kanilang musika. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! As I Am is a metal band from Cavite, formed in March 19, 2023. The band is prominent in the Cavite and Laguna metal scene. They had shared stage with other fellow metal bands like Dalubra, Drain, Bloodshed, and Sagrado. The band composed of Geno on vocals, Boy G on drums, Charlie on bass, Maki on lead guitars, and Alec on rhythm guitars. So nakilala ko ang bandang As I Am sa gig ng Musika Patiran sa No Exit noong May 31st sa Jeffoy's Bar, at talagang napahanga ako sa kanilang live performance at nakilala ko rin yung mga bawat member. So, I want to share this music ng kanilang live performance sa No Exit at enjoyin natin tong video na to.
Sa ilalim ng sirkulo na kung tawagin natin ay lipunan.
And that was As I Am's performance. At overall lang masasabi ko sa performance ng bandang to ay napaka-solid at napaka-tindi. Kasi lahat ng crowd ay talagang nagwawala every time na nagtugtog sila ng musika, talagang solid. At masasabi ko yung mga guitar plays ay talagang dinidisplay yung kabigatan at talagang pinapakita nila yung astigan ng banda nila. Tapos, syempre yung vocals talagang panalo. Talagang yung growls, napaka-solid at talagang hit on the notes. At drum plays ni Boy J talagang solid din. Talagang pinapakita yung kabigatan ng musika. So, overall, talagang nasiyahan ako dun sa kanilang live performance at looking for more na mapanood pa sila sa iba pang mga gigs. At talagang suporta natin ang mga banda sa underground scene kasi talagang nandito yung masasabi kong pure talent ng mga artists. At kahit sabihin natin na hindi sila nasa mainstream, talagang dito makikita mo yung sincerity ng mga bawat banda. Yung pagmamahal sa musika ay binubuo sila despite of this limited resources na meron sila. So, suportahan natin ang As I Am at pakita natin ang metal scene ng Pilipinas ay napaka-solid. Suportahan nyo ang banda at ang links ay nasa description. Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days. Alright, so that was all for the video for today. And let me know in the comment sections what's your thoughts on As I Am's music. Feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Makita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Kian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!